Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the trending doodle wall overlay effect, a super fun AI doodle styles that mix real photo with hand-drawn cartoon illustrations. And the best part, you can do it instantly using Google News editing tools inside Gemini's Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then next, just sign in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just simply tap on create image, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the feature that lets you edit or transform any image instantly using just prompts. It's super quick and incredibly accurate for doodle or overlay effects. And then next, just upload your photo. Just choose any photo that where your post is clear, so the doodle effect will blend naturally. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next we're going to write the magic prompt that creates the doodle wolf overlay effects. Before I have made a prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then go to Google Lens and copy it and paste it to your prompt box like this. Next, I will just copy my prompt, go back to Gemini, and when you're done about the prompt, just hit generate. Okay, like this. You'll see how the real photo blends perfectly with the illustrated wolf doodle like this. Honestly, it's so cute. The giant wolf mouth above your head like this, the huge cartoon paws hanging down, and it gives that playful street art vibes that currently blowing out on social media like this. It's really cute. And if you are not satisfied with the result, just tweak the prompt or regenerate for a new variations. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create the viral doodle wolf overlay effect using Nano Banana. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.